What's up? Friday 3D printed fun day. So I got some 3D printed planes of mine out here today. Two 3D lab print and one Eclipson. These two are going to be maidens. My Zero and my CG2, which is originally a glider, but now it's a PG2. Because they actually made power versions of the Waco glider back in post World War II. So not many slopes around here. I do have the DC-3/C-47 military version cargo plane from 3D Lab Print. That this came free with it. I have a glider wing for that, but I decided to design my own nacelles and props for that guy. But anyways, I'm going to fly my Gold Wolf glider first from Eclipson, which is a great little flyer. I usually fly 1,000 or 1,500 milliamp hour battery with it. Great little flyer. Got a 2212 on it, motor. Right now I have 1,500 in it. It's printed out of ColorFabb. This is ColorFabb. This is ColorFabb. This is a new one called Sane Smart, which it did okay. I still think I need to tweak the settings, but ColorFabb to me is the best as far as lightweight PLA. They're all lightweight PLA. But anyways, I got a little 8.6 prop on it. I could put a 9.6 on there for a little more oomph, but it doesn't need it. But anyways, let's get this Go Wolf up and gonna be a short flight. My battery's not exactly peak charge, but we'll get her going. Good little flyer. Pretty much our little glider, but no rudder, of course. Can do aerobatics though. You can fly real slow. I like flying it on the 1,000 milliamp hour. A lot lighter wing loading. Got her trimmed out about half throttle, so give full throttle. She wants to lift up a little bit, but it's a glider. Little loop-de-loop. And I'm probably going to keep this short with the battery. But I printed this all out in ColorFabb red, and I did all the paint, yellow stripes on beneath, and then the starburst white on top. So ColorFabb really works well with paint. quick roll for you guys. Mike's up elevator with roll. Again, no rudder, so get too deep in a turn. Likes to dive a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and land this guy because I was only at like 20-30% battery, but fly one of the other planes. But it's a good flying little plane. You can actually get it from free from Eclipson, so. Fun little plane. You guys should try it.